Hello, today I will show you how to check your battery health on VIVO Y36 with the Ampere app. First, go into the Play Store. You need to download an external app for this. Now tap on the search box and type in Ampere. Tap Search and tap Install. After the installing is complete, simply tap Open. Now we'll have to close down all the menus. Close, OK. And finally, here it is. Now we can see that our health is good, and we can see all other info about our battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.